your phone number? Hey guys, so today I just got a Mi Band 5 right here, so the bag is really crushed. And here's the price that I got my Mi Band 5. As you can see, I just got a Mi Band 5 and you might wondering, what did I upgrade from? A Mi Band 2, which I'm wearing it right here. I've been wearing it since March 2018 and I finally upgrade. So you might wondering, why did I upgrade? It's really dim and it's really scratched out. The Bluetooth connection is kind of sucks. So I just bought the 5 and yeah, so I'm going to unbox the 5. Did someone just eat this thing? Cause like there's lots of dust, like a food or something. Oh my god. What? This thing is like real dusty. I just opened the box and the seal was using paper instead. That's a good thing. It used to be in this type of box, which from the Mi Band 2, and there's a plastic seal on it. Going to put everything back in and going to use a charger later. Look at this manual. It's really thick. Let me just show you the Mi Band 2 looks like. And see this. Is it necessary? What? Let me just show you the Mi Band 2 charger. I got another one, but this one is still unused. So yeah, I can definitely tell this is a lot of improvement. So let me just put it what it feels like. This silicone, I can tell it's like more softer. Pair first. Guys, I'm really hot, so if you heard the fan noise, sorry about that. You can see right here both of them. So I got the black one because my favorite color. And yeah, it's like, it's a bit larger, but I don't mind. If you guys haven't watched the Mi Band 2 unboxing, right up here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for other videos and peace.